recording? Yes, it's recording. Okay. Yeah, I had to change the SD card, but it had some problem. So I changed the SD card and it just shows me 0 space on it. Like, what the fuck are you doing? It's an empty SD card, and I used it in this camera. So I had to format it, but it works now. I don't know how long the camera's gonna... Fuck's sake, how long the camera's gonna last, because it's on the last bar. I didn't have much time to charge it, I suppose. Come on. Sit. Didn't have the time to charge it really much. Okay. But other than that, you know, I'm going, if it cuts off at some point, I'm basically going back to the ferry terminal. I have another 40 minutes or so spare. So when I arrive, the boarding is gonna start at about 6 o'clock. So basically, when I arrive there, the boarding is gonna start, because they board bikes faster than cars. The bikes go on faster first, and then the cars go in. So yeah, if I don't see you, the camera cuts off. Then basically this is the last part. Where it cuts off, it cuts off. I don't think I will record the ferry, and because I did that in the morning, I did the pictures. So I'm just gonna charge my camera a bit through the power bank, charge my phone a bit, and then I'm heading straight to the hostel, which is basically, you know, it's 10 minutes away. So I don't think there is a need for me to film that really. Like I said, I will charge it a bit, maybe I can film it, but we'll see about that. Anyway, enjoy this last bit of my trip to the Isle of Skye. But in overall, I liked it. It was nice weather. I had nice weather, no rain, pretty warm overall. Cannot complain. And yeah, I would say it's a success, man. A successful trip for sure. Now tomorrow, obviously, I have to come back to, well, just leave the Scotland basically, and just northern part of England. That's where I'm staying, and then on Friday back to London basically. So yeah, over 1,000 miles. Over 1,000 miles trip in five days basically. I did. Well, yeah, I'm tired. It's the third day I'm riding around for so many hours, and it's not the end yet, but it's close to it. And like I said, enjoyed this last bit of my trip to Isle of Skye, and I will see you either on the other side of the ferry or tomorrow.
I was standing, staying still, never said what I feel. And every time I took the blame, carried all this quiet shame. 'Cause all the pressure in my chest, I've gotta fight to catch my breath. When every step still feels the same, trying not to break. Where do I go from here? Maybe I'll disappear. If I don't try, I'll never know. I'm waiting on you. Where do I go from here? There will be no more tears. Kill the doubt, feed the fire, hear the voice inside. It's my turn this time. They took a shot, now I want mine. You fall, I rise, I take the wheel. So this is how it feels. Where do I go from here? Maybe I'll disappear. If I don't try, I'll never know. I'm waiting on you. Where do I go from here? There will be no more tears. Kill the doubt, feed the fire, hear the voice inside.
and the camera still records. Okay, so yeah, I made it back to the ferry. I still have about 30 minutes to go before they start boarding me onto the ferry. But like I said, I'd rather be there half an hour earlier than 10 minutes late. That's how I see it, because it's the last ferry as well, so there's no real kind of fallback for me at this stage. If I don't make this one, then good luck, you're going around, maybe. That's what I'm saying, you know. Okay. But yeah, one final look. And that's it. That's the trip for Isle of Skye. Yeah, just a quick one. I charged my camera and I thought I'll show you some views from the ferry. So, let me catch my breath. So yeah, this is the last ferry of today, and it's a bit late because it's already past, and we just boarded now. At least the bikes, 2 bikes only. Me and another, I don't know if they're married or a couple basically. So yeah, this is the view from Armadale. Basically you see the mountains over there, and like I said, it was a bit late, but there you go. You have more views over here. It's gonna take half an hour, and they will have to board all the cars first, obviously. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the view from the ferry. I'm not gonna go around and show you everything. This one is the big one, the big ferry. In the morning I had a small ferry, so this one is the big one, like buses can go in. The other one was small. I suppose there was more places for the bikes, unless there's more places somewhere else, I don't know. But there's only like what, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 spots maybe. That's not a lot, basically. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the views from the ferry, and that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow.